Okay, so this next video is of putting the next project in the shop. I got the Firebird out of the shop and over here for the winter. And this is a little footage of putting the next project in, which is a 48 Ford I'm going to do. And so enjoy the struggle of getting the next project in the shop. All right. So here's the third truck that I got, and this is a pretty solid front end. I might even go with this front end. It's got a good grill. The fenders are pretty, well, this one's not so great, but I'll probably go with these running boards. I'll get them jacked up, get the back end of this truck jacked up and off the ground before snow hits, so I can get to these running boards. I think these running boards are a little bit better. I'm pretty much just going to take all of the parts from all three trucks and try to piece together the most solid one. Anyway, that's my plan. Yeah, I think these are definitely better running boards. Out of all three trucks, though, I think all I have is that one passenger door, so I imagine that's going to be the one I use, unless I find one between now and the time I actually need it. Alright, well, tractor should be here pretty soon, and I can get it all put together, or you know, over to the shop, all the pieces anyway. So yeah, wish me luck. So here's one of the other 48 Fords that I got. It's got a pretty good cab and frame and everything for it, but I think I'm gonna just save it for later on for something else. It's got a 302 out of an old Maverick sitting in it. You know, plans might change. I might end up using this cab, but here's the fenders, the rear fenders, the running boards, the front fenders. I'll probably be using, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to all use now, but here's some more of the parts and pieces. This is a pretty nice cab too. I do need this door, so I'll probably be robbing this door off of here. And whatever other parts, the whole thing's full of miscellaneous parts and pieces, some grills. And these are probably the parts I'm going to use for that other truck. So yeah, I got lots of parts anyway. Okay, so today's the day that I'm going to put the 48 Ford in the shop for the winter project. Here's the frame, and sitting right next to it is the 390 Cadillac engine. This is the 1960 model, and I got a buddy coming over with his tractor here pretty soon, and we're gonna get this put on the trailer over there, and then we'll get it over to the shop and get it put in there, and then next year's, or sometime the next project anyway, whatever year that may be, will be the Gremlin. So I'm going to put the Gremlin in this covered area right here that the engine's in now. The engine and frame is in now, and then it'll be out of the weather for this winter. Okay, the tractor has arrived, so let the project begin. Alright, so here goes the engine on the trailer first. So when I got this 48 Ford, actually I got three 48 Ford pickups. This cab was not attached. So here it sits out in front of my house. So we'll be picking that up with the tractor, putting it on the trailer, and taking it over to the shop. This is the cab I decided to use. Even though I got three of these vehicles, this one seems to be a pretty solid cab. So we'll get that over to the shop and set on that frame, and I can get started. So this is the front end that goes with that cab, but it's, as you can tell, it's pretty beat up. So I don't think I'm gonna definitely not use these fenders. As you can tell, they got holes in them. They're pretty trashed out. I got different front ends. I got some different fenders I'll be using. As you can see, even the grill's pretty beat up. I think I got some better parts than this here. So this will probably just stay right where it's sitting. Alright, there he is, heading to the shop. There's the frame. Got the frame out, all squared up with the world, so maybe you just back the car trailer up and suck it up on the car trailer, take it over to the shop. So I did find this door, and I'm not really sure if this is the one off that other truck or not. I'll get some measurements, take a closer look at it, and see if this door, it's pretty hashed on there. So yeah, if nothing else, I'll get it out of the weather. Alright, got my oldest boy here helping me. Just showed up in the nick of time. Alright, let's get that engine in the shop. Okay, so we'll get it in here underneath that beam so I can pick it up later and get it set on that frame. Sweet. Thank goodness for neighbors and their tractors, huh? Set it down, we can push it in place. Okay, here's the frame. We just pulled it out. We'll get this cab inside, see if we can't get it flipped around facing the other way before it starts snowing too much, and we can't do it. So alright, and goes the cab. Project's gonna start as soon as Operation Santa's done. Okay, so got the frame in here. Got the cab sitting in here. Now I just need to go dig out fenders and stuff before they all get snowed on. Get them over here. Here's the Cadillac 390. It's going to go in it. And I guess I'll be able to have time and start on it come January. So it'll be a while. But I'll try to get some videos made as I'm getting it taken care of and get some stuff posted. Okay, later.